My bad. Yo, this is a public announcement. It may just be me, but I'm tired of going over all of my friends, family, enemies, people that I halfway know, some that I don't know. We got to come up with a solution where we cannot be hanging. Let me repeat this. We cannot be hanging grocery bags on our door. It's 2012. This has to stop. Everybody I know, and it may just be the people that I know, but I'm hoping somebody else knows some people besides the people that I know that's doing the same thing. I went over some of my friends' house, yo. They got KFC bags on the door, Kmart bags, brown paper bags, the liquor store bags attached to the doorknob, grocery bags attached, Popeyes, McDonald's bags. We gotta stop this shit right now. So, for all of you all that need a trash can, you need to call me.